Multani legal passages combined test ready start. In civil revision, a learned judge of the High Court, after consideration of the entire evidence, came to the conclusion that the material evidence on record that not been considered at all full stop. On these grounds, the revision was allowed and the suit decreed full stop next para. London Council for the petitioners challenged both the impugned judgments on the grounds firstly, that the petitioners herein were entitled to the transfer of the suit house in their favor on the basis of the agreement to sell, which had to be specifically enforced as being pertaining to immovable property. Secondly, both the learned lower courts and wrongly assumed that the agreement to sell was without consideration, and thirdly, the respondent number 2 was not a bona fide purchaser, full stop, next para. Consequently, the reference is rejected, the appeal is allowed, appellants of compensation dismissed, full stop. The appellants shall be set at liberty if not wanted in any other case, full stop. The three matters are thus disposed of, full stop. In these circumstances, the London Council filed the above application for readmission of the appeal at its original number, full stop. The applicants were supported by the affidavit of the appellant's son, full stop, next para. It is nobody's case that any of the conditions was not satisfied, full stop. In fact, the formal transfer order dated 21/7/1979, in favor of the school contains a reference to the order of 7/5/1962 and condition number 1 mentioned above without any doubt about its fulfillment, full stop. This needs factual determination, full stop. The respondent does not deny the contribution of the appellant in reasoning the structure, but at the same time assert his own contributing, full stop. Evidence could not and has not been received in this court regarding the exact position, each party's contribution, full stop. The argument of the London Council for the respondent to claim for him the ownership of the building on the basis of Punjab government letter dated 17/1/1978 is of no avail to him in the circumstances of this case, full stop, next para. On behalf of the respondents, a serious objecting was taken to the competence of this court to interfere in revision with the exercise of discretion by the courts below, and for that purpose reliance has been placed on the decision for the Supreme Court in the case of Hidayatullah versus Murad Ali Khan, full stop. I must observe after having very respectfully read the judgment in the President of the Supreme Court that the case under disposal does not fall in that category of cases where the courts below merely did not exercise their discretion in a proper manner under Section 22 of the Punjab Re-emption Act in extending time for depositing pre-emption money, full stop.